In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a multi-level list. First, you would select the area that you want to create a multi-level list. In this section, you would click the drop-down arrow next to multi-level list, and then you would select the list you would like to apply. Initially, it looks just as it would if you were to choose the numbering button. However, if I click after a listed item and press enter and then tab over, you can see how my list level changes to show 1.1. Now I can list the things that are on my quick access toolbar. So as you can see, the multi-level list button gives you greater flexibility of how you want these indented items to appear when you tab over. I'm going to show you a couple of the other options. Do you see how now this list level shows the ABC here? I'm going to go back to this one. If at any point you want to promote an item to be a main topic, you would select the item as I did here, and then you would click your decrease indent, and now it is promoted to be a main topic instead of a subtopic. I'm going to go ahead and click increase indent because it's definitely a subtopic of the quick access toolbar. At any point, if you decide that something is a subtopic of a main topic, you can demote it. I'm going to go ahead and promote all three of these for a second and just show you how you would go about demoting it. If you select the topic that you think should be a subtopic, you would just click increase indent, and now it is a demoted item, basically a subtopic of a main topic. And that's it for my short video on how to use the multi-level list button in Microsoft Word.